Oh wow, this is really inappropriate. I'm still trying to get over my last question. Yeah, I should take some more time to answer this.
Hi guys, I'm Divya Rao from Team Miss Malini, and today I have with me Karan Thakur, and we're going to ask him a bunch of very, very, very inappropriate questions. Are you ready?
I'm absolutely ready. Like I said, the more uncomfortable, the better.
Oh, then it's coming your way.
Let's have fun. Let's have fun.
Okay, let's go. Okay, what according to you is the ideal age to lose your virginity?
Ideal age to lose your virginity? I think the ideal age is when you can last a little more than a minute. That would be a good age to lose it.
Do you want to casually tell us when you lost yours?
So I'm a late bloomer. Like, believe me, I'm such a late bloomer that I'm embarrassed. I think I don't want to mention the age, but let me just tell you something that you know, because I was brought up so closely by my parents and especially my father. My father instilled this thought into me so deep that you have sex with your wife. That's it, and that's how it works. And believe me, I believed it. Yeah. So I would say my early 20s.
Oh. Okay, what's the craziest place you've ever made out in?
I'm still trying to get over my last question. Yes, sorry, what? What's the
craziest place you've ever made out in?
What's the craziest place that I've made out in? That I've made out in. I'm trying. I have a bunch, but I'm trying to think of the most crazy one. Airplane loose. Yeah, that's one.
Member of the Mile High Club.
Oh, that's what it's called, right?
Yeah.
What is it?
Mile High Club.
Mile High Club. I'm such a gawar when it comes to all of this, but yeah.
Get with the times.
I need to. I still don't get hashtags on all these social media things. But so yeah, airplane loose. Why I'm thinking, I'm actually judging myself, but
we're not judging you. It's okay.
It was in a 5-star at a wedding, but the men's loo.
What is with you and the loos?
You know, because it's a sneak in. When you're on a plane, where do you do it?
True, but I have heard of some horror stories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like jump on the bed next to you.
Yeah. Like I've heard people do it in economy on seats in the corner. I swear, lots of people have heard that, and people watching this will know it's true too.
I'm not flying that airline. If people are doing on the seats, that's just wrong. But yeah, so that's a few of those.
Okay, great. So if you woke up one morning and found out that you've turned into a woman, what would be the first thing that you'd do?
If I woke up in the morning and I found out that I'm a woman.
Literally, instinctively, what's the first thing you'd do?
I think I'll slip out of. I actually want to slip into a pair of G-strings just to see what it felt like. Because I never understood those. You know, I mean, it's just. Anyways, yeah. Let's not get into details. Yes.
Okay. Who's the first actress you've ever had a crush on?
Who's the first actress that I've had? Madhuri Dixit.
Okay.
Huge.
Everyone.
First, and it's still there. It's still. I'm actually horrible when it comes to meeting her in front of her husband, and I feel like her husband might not be the most fun of it.
Have you ever used a pickup line on someone?
Oh, absolutely. The cheesiest, the dirtiest, everything. I think I've done it all.
Tell us the worst one you've heard.
I actually use a very arrogant one that if you've still not noticed me, I'll walk by once again.
Should I tell you my favorite one?
Yes.
Somebody once asked me this. Are you my appendix? Because I don't know how you work, but I'd like to take you out.
Whoa!
It's actually my most favorite pickup line ever.
That's actually creative.
Yeah, it's kind of cute.
That's actually creative.
Okay, what's the most romantic thing you've done for a woman?
What's the most romantic thing that I've done for a woman? There was this one girl that I wanted to date, and you know when you're really young, how you have these long phone chats.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And she used to stay very close to my house. It was raining. Actually, she used to not stay close to my house at that time. She used to stay in Balkeshwar, which is the bang end of the other of the city where I used to stay. So I stay in Andheri, for the guys who know Bombay, and she stays in town. And it was raining, and I had promised her that the next time it rains, I'll drive you to Lonavala. And I'm talking when I was 20 years old. So Lonavala was 4 syllables less cooler than London. But so I picked her up at a godforsaken hour, like 4:30 in the morning, in a beaten up car that I had, which got flushed down in the Bombay floods. I picked her up. I drove her to this place called Lions Point in Lonavala, and it was nice and foggy. and over a pot of Maggi noodles that was made by those stalls there, I asked her out.
Oh, young love.
Yes, young love, yes.
Okay, what is the longest you've gone without sex?
Oh wow, this is really inappropriate.
Warned you.
What's the longest? It's...
Quick, you know.
Do people really answer these things?
Yeah, of course, everyone answers.
I need to start watching more interviews of other people to know till where people are going. What's the longest that I've been without sex? I think 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your favorite slang for penis?
What's my what? I'm gonna get so much slack for this interview. And it's my birthday, it's supposed to be nice to me. It's what I call my best friend, which is oh.
You know, we had another actor here once
Yeah.
who came and said no.
No. I think cock works fine.
Okay.
And you know, the funny part is that when guys abuse each other, it's out of affection. I've never understood this. If my closest friend who met me and did not abuse me, I would think he's pissed with me. एक तो क्या होता है, मैं पंजाबी हूँ, दूसरी चीज मैं लड़का हूँ, तो जब तक आप गाली देते नहीं हो ना, कोई चीज अंडरलाइन नहीं होती. So if you want to make anything sound like the most superlative, you have to have a prefix of an abuse, and it has to be in Hindi.
All the way.
Yeah. And if you're calling out to a, see, he's laughing. He gets it. There's a guy behind the camera. He totally gets it. So if you want to say, "यार क्या कमाल की रात थी यार," so you have to say, "क्या कमाल की रात थी." So you know, it just sounds right.
Okay.
But yeah.
What's your favorite color of lingerie on a woman?
Black.
Okay. And lastly,
I think I should take some more time to answer this.
Lastly, what's your advice to men who are looking to find love?
Don't look for it, man. Don't look for it. I think the one thing that men always get wrong is women don't need fancy things. They don't need big gestures. I think if you're respectful towards women and you're kind to women and everybody else around you, I think that's the most charming thing that any man can ever be. So don't look for love. Be kind, be respectful, and I think love will just come your way naturally.
Awesome. You heard him. Don't look for love. Let it come to you. And I hope you had lots of fun answering our
I did.
very inappropriate questions.
This is one of those moments that I just said on Facebook Live that I don't know how this is going to be edited and what it's going to look like. So I might be cringing when this comes out.
You are going to cringe a little.
I will, right? Yeah.
But anyway, it's also his birthday, so this is a little birthday special.
Yes.
I hope you have a lovely birthday. And
Thank you.
Thank you guys for tuning in.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi guys, I'm Karan Thakur and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. If you like this video, even if you do not like this video, please press like, subscribe and share. Don't forget.